What's going on, guys? Big Time on 10 here. And today, I want to share with you guys a ROM that was requested by one of my subscribers. He wanted to know when was I going to review Android open source illusion project. And I got to thank him because if it wasn't for him, I don't think I would have got into this ROM as early as I did right now. I don't know why I just was overlooking, and I think that tends to happen with a lot of other ROMs. We tend to overlook some ROMs and then they get lost in the process. But anyway, guys, let's get into the ROM. This is why we're here, and let me show you some of the settings, some of the features that this ROM offers. Now, this ROM is really, really good. I am so happy that I installed it. I am surprised at how well everything is. Let me just show you guys some of the settings. Obviously, when you install the ROM, it comes with the regular launcher that has the Google Now feed, and you could just theme it with a dark theme. It also let's see, you have a bunch of different clock styles. I like that one. Then the fingerprint reader is pretty fast, as you can see. And let's see, let's get into this real quick. Like every other ROM, we have the usual, but what we want to see is owl's nest. This right here, I don't know why or what is it about the ROM that it took me back to my first ROMs that I used to install on the Nexus 1 or the G1. As you can see, under status bar, we have battery percentage. We have all those options. You could have it next to the icon, like so. You could have it like I like it, inside the battery. And the options you have are Q style, circle, big circle, dotted, big dotted circle, text, and hidden. Usually you'll always see that I always have portrait. That's my favorite. Sometimes you'll see with have a circle. You could also have a big circle if you like, but for me, it's either circle or portrait. Now, here on a carrier label, you could, put a custom carrier label. If you want to put your own name, you can do that. You'll see it on the lock screen. We also have, the clock, everything you might want, show clock and date, which I have. I like that option. You could also have show the seconds, but I don't like that. You could also have the alignment. So if you want it on the center, it's gonna be blocked by the notch, but you could have it there. You could also have it on the right side. But for me, I'll keep it on the left. I don't mind that. And then we have the date. As you can see, I have the small font size. The date format. Then we have icons. Here, the usual. Remove the icons you don't want. And this feature here I like. Chronic logo. I thought they were gonna kind of force their logo onto your status bar, but they don't. They actually, what they do is they do have their logo, but they have a bunch of different logos. For example, look, this is their logo. Okay, but you could also have that if you like. Maybe a fingerprint. I don't know why would you want that. Okay, controller, Google controller. Linux, if you're a Linux fan, but there you go. Space Invaders is cool. Even, I think, where's Pac-Man right there? Look, you got Pac-Man. And, you don't have to, but if you like it, customize it, have it on there, boom, you can do that. We also have hide the notch. We also have Volt. Voice over LTE icon, and I think I have it on. We have the network traffic indicators. Let's see what else. We go down to quick settings. We have the usual. We have the vibrate on touch. Okay, what else do we have here? Notification. We have the ambient music ticker. We got the battery LED, which, now that I think about it, what LED? By the way, maybe something I haven't figured out. We got the heads up notification. You can have a stop list and a blacklist, so that way you don't have notifications coming in from a certain app. You have snooze timer. We got notifications. What else? We have navigation. As you can see, you have the option to have the pixel navigation bar or the regular navigation keys, and I believe it's the fling. There we go, fling settings or fling bar. And then we have the OnePlus type gestures. Those are the ones I keep because I want my whole screen. I don't want nothing there. Hardware buttons. We do have the reboot, advanced reboot. As you can see, this one also has that. So if you press advanced, you have the option to go to recovery, bootloader, or a hot reboot or system UI reboot. We also have screenshot. So when you hold the power button, boom, screenshot's there. Screen off animation. As you remember, I always get CRT. My favorite. We got scale and simple fade. We also have under volume control. We have the control ring volume, playback control, rotation swap. So you could swap the buttons whenever you are on landscape or portrait. We got the key to answer, volume rock or wake. Let's see what else we have here. We got the recents. You could choose if you want, Oreo or pie style recents. Lock screen. We have every option that you might want. As you can see, this is the one I have, text. I love that clock style a lot. We also have the usual face auto unlock. This will open just like the other ROM. It'll just let you through. You don't have to swipe or anything. I like that, and I like that a lot of ROMs are, implementing it into their ROM. Okay, so we have the gestures. So, same thing. We have those gestures there, the fingers, brightening control, advanced settings. We have blink flashing on call. This is cool, and sometimes it's not. Cause sometimes it'll be like night. Someone's calling you and it's just flashing. But yeah, guys, this ROM is so cool. I like this ROM a lot. I like everything. You see how when you bring down the notification, it shows you the date, everything. And then I think, let me show you something, guys. When it comes to battery, it's really efficient. Where's the get out of it real quick? Right here. Okay. So when it comes to battery, I felt like this ROM was really, really good. This was this morning at 7:30 a.m. Now keep in mind, I think I unplugged my phone at 2 a.m. 2 in the morning to 7:30. That means I'm on the way to work for an hour. I listen to podcasts. I also have my navigation just to search for, where to get some coffee in the morning. And 6 hours ago, so you see there, I've been using Google for 21. It shows Telegram, but I was using my podcast, and it's still at 93. Battery's insane. It barely sips anything. Shout out to this man right here for recommending this ROM. Go and install it on It's that good. The only other ROM that I felt was this good was the Candy ROM. But thank you for recommending this ROM. I appreciate that. And anybody else that wants to recommend or wants me to try out a ROM so you can see some of the features, let me know. This has been a quick hands-on on this ROM, Android open source Illusion project. If you guys want to see anything else, just let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'm out, guys. I have to go. See ya.